everybody. Good morning.
Students at Maynard Jackson High School were accustomed to metal detectors. Just ask the principal, Adam Dancer.
If any of us who have ever gone through like TSA or anything, taking everything out of pockets, having the bag searched and takes time, the line would grow longer.
You're clear.
Now students are breezing through thanks to a new weapons detection system. The Evolve system uses advanced sensors and artificial intelligence technology to let students walk right through, typically with everything but their laptops.
Don't forget your Chromebooks, everybody. Don't forget your Chromebooks.
The system is now in place at every middle and high school in Atlanta Public Schools thanks to $2.5 million of CARES Act funding. Here's how the system works. As I walk through, if something on me triggers the system, it turns the light red, and that's when I've got to go get checked.
I'm loving the red hoodie.
You're gonna have to get this over there.
Monitors pinpoint the exact area that triggered the sensor. Security teams then search only the flagged students.
They don't have to spend as much time looking through each and every bag. And then the students love it too because we move through a lot quicker.
I think they're pretty cool, very safe system, especially with all the dangerous situations going on around the country.
Anxiety comes from standing in line, which itself can be concerning, and also ensuring that the environment they're going into is safe.
Anil Chitkara is co-founder of Evolve Technology.
The goal of the Evolve system is to let kids come and focus on learning and teachers focus on teaching.
Good job, good job. You're good to go.
In Atlanta, Rebecca Schramm, Atlanta News First.
Thank you.